Caterpillar's probably my favorite. Let me tell you why. When you have certain actionable signals, or you have actionable signals presenting themselves, oftentimes I like to believe that market makers don't like to make it that easy. So what do I mean by that? We know consolidation leads to expansion. If we see consolidation, we know that's a signal for us to get in the play and take it whatever upside or downside. Cat right now on the weekly chart has a double inside week. Tomorrow is the last day of the week. They're not gonna make it that easy. Don't do it. Because if they make it that easy, then you know everyone's going to be talking about Cat next week if it's a double inside week. Why? Double inside week, 2-week chart, inside 2 week, setting up for the next week, 3-week chart, still in force, 4-week chart, inside 4 weeks, setting up for a 2-1-2 rev on the 4 week, 5 monthly, look at the month, 2-1-2 rev. Like Roland, we talked about it today. Roland is literally on the money about this, and that's why he's been sitting in them for about a week or so. Caterpillar, I'm telling you right now, if they make it that easy and make this close to double inside week, it's bye-bye. You guys know this. It's bye-bye for Cat. So with that being said, they ain't gonna make it that easy, and I think they're gonna let Cat go 2 up on a week to make it seem like, oh, there's not double consolidation. It's not really consolidated. Nope, we've been eyeing this play for a while. We know what you're trying to do. So with that being said, watch for Cat to trigger 2 up on the week tomorrow. Even if it don't trigger up on the week tomorrow, even better, because you just telling us that you setting up for a bigger swing. So right now, you can do whatever you want. The market can do whatever it wants. The only thing that will invalidate this thesis that we're thinking of right now is if Cat goes 2 down on the week. Notice how it's been holding this trend line that we've been talking about for the last 4 weeks. We've been talking about Cat for the last 4 weeks, and it's just been like, when is it gonna make the move? When is it gonna make the move? It made this move 2 weeks ago, but we know moves ain't done yet. You need to consolidate for the next leg. I know I've been talking about this, but I really like this chart. I really like this chart. So it's not even just for a 0 DTE, but for a swing. Like, take advantage of this type of chart that's telling you we possibly going to break out, and it's going to lead to a lot of money. I'm telling you right now, this is one of the charts where you pay attention to and you hawk. Okay, so Caterpillar for tomorrow, and as long as it's following the theme of industrials, it's Caterpillar. I'm telling you. Okay, Cat almost 46%. Catherine.
Bro, I just did the ODTs that I really haven't been trading Mondays and Fridays, right? Mm-hmm. They were $20 contract for the 255s. Mm-hmm. And I set a fill order for $10 to get a couple more in case they came down. Okay. So I ended up with like 10 contracts. The majority, all of them down at 100%. Okay. So I could have held the thing. This run is at 850%, bro.
What?
God damn. I'm $10 to $93, bro.
What?
Bro, this last run is at 850%.
Bro.
That's crazy.
And
you said that was Cat, bro?
Yeah, I did the ODTEs though. I didn't swing it for next week. I just did and I just bought 2, just like $100. They trim most of the position at 100, around 100 and some percent. Some say just leave one and see what it do. And I saw it getting close to going 2 up on a month. So enough, soon as it triggered, bro.
You see, bro? Y'all see why I had that passion about, like, please, bro, like, Cat. Like, it wasn't on some, like, oh, he knows something that we don't. Nah. Sometimes the chart is just going to say, like, it's going to go. Sometimes you do it so much, you do it long enough where you see these patterns play out where you just know. Some people gonna call it, oh, J-Pal. And I'm like, nah, it's the chart. The chart, like, mind you, we said this was going to happen yesterday before J-Pal spoke. Do you guys see why I say technicals before fundamentals? We said Cat was going to do this before the fundamental event of J-Pal speaking. Ain't no secrecy, ain't no, because we said the chart is telling us that Cat is going to do this. J-Pal is just a volatile event that induced this action to actually do it. Raven always talks about it. Fundamental events are just used to get price to where they need to go. That's why I swing through all these events. If the chart says that the chart is supposed to go there, the event should only make it go there. More times than not, it will happen. And if you're trading with full time frame continuity, I promise y'all, more times than not, it will happen. That's why I beg y'all to get it. Like, that's why I beg y'all, because I'm like, listen, this chart, I hope you guys are paying attention. Please. The reason why I'm not even saying, because I know this is about to pay me. So if it's about to pay me, I hope it can pay y'all, because the chart says so. I'm telling you, it works. It works. What y'all heard back in 2020, what y'all heard back in 2021, where you can't do this, where 90% of the traders, nope, that is not the case. I promise y'all. No, it's not the case. Once you win, it's not the case. I promise y'all. I promise y'all. I promise y'all. I promise y'all. I specifically retweeted True to the Strats post when he said what? Oh, cat gonna go meow tomorrow. I said, if you know, you know, because sometimes you just know. The more you see a chart, you just know. I promise y'all that if you do this long enough, if you keep practicing, if you keep doing you can get this. I promise you. Look back at the channels. Look back at Abby's channel. Look back at Mace's channel. Look at everyone's. Look at Dina's. Look at everyone's. Tia's channel. Look at it. Y'all can make money in this market if you just do your homework. And that's why I swing. Because sometimes you get a play like Morgan Stanley when you didn't even know it was going to continue running. They say, hey, we're just going to pay you more. Please ask questions. Please ask questions. Do your homework on the weekend. You guys should be like a beginning chat question. You ask a question, you don't get a response, you ask it again. You don't get a response, you ask it again. You ask 5 questions back to back to back to back. I want to see y'all win because this feeling is great. Cat weekly's up 800%. It's only 9. I'm in the West Coast. It's only 9:30 in the morning. For anything, what if the market says, hey, we're gonna continue going up? What if J Powell said, oh, y'all like that little appetizer? Let me give y'all a little entree. What if they could just continue going up? Not saying it will, but y'all see why I say there's so many opportunities in this market if you just do your homework? One trade could change your life. One trade changed my life. Costco, 2022. One trade could change your life. And even if it's not on a monetary value, if it's the knowledge, that's even better. Because Costco, yeah, cool, monetary, but the knowledge I got out of the trade doesn't even equate to that money I got from that trade. The knowledge I got from understanding what a double inside 2-week can do, and now I'm able to use that when I see any double inside bar, and I'm like, I remember what Costco did when it had a double inside. Let me use that for this one. That knowledge I got from that trade doesn't equate to the monetary value that trade got me. I can now use that knowledge for every single trade I take in the future. Telling y'all, the education is really where the money is. Knowing this, the confidence, knowing that you will be able to do this for years to come. Market going up, we don't care. Market going down, we don't care. We know the difference between a shooter and a hammer. Think about it. Things that you didn't know last year, you now know. Vincent I said y'all yesterday, Vincent just talked about he just finished the mentorship. He's looking at price action different. He wasn't looking at it a year ago. Now he can be looking at it the way he's looking at it today for the rest of his life. And price gonna do the same thing. Accumulate, manipulate, distribute. Hit buy side, hit sell side, go to the opposite side. Broadening formation, actionable signals, consolidation. Imagine we're gonna have these same setups for the rest of our life. And we can eat. Make y'all money. Make your fucking money. I'm sorry for my language, but there's a reason why I talk the way I talk.